Hello everyone, friends. Today I'll show you how to recover a Steam account without an email address, phone number, or password. To do this, go to Search, type Steam, and enter. On the first link, click the Login button. Next, click Help, I can't sign in, and then I forgot my Steam account name or password. Enter your email address here and complete the CAPTCHA. And click Search. Now select that I don't have access to this email address. I didn't receive the code. And here we have an account recovery form. Enter your current email address here where you'll receive the response. Enter the login from your previous account here. Enter the first email address that was linked to this account. Yes, like this. Enter your phone number here. If it was linked to your account, yes. And enter our problem here, the reason for the loss, and complete the CAPTCHA. After that, click the send button there. And to this email address. Oh, you need to write what the problem is. So now click the send button. After that, you'll receive a response to this email address. That's all. This was everyone. See you later.